Hello everyone. I hope you all are doing well. In this tutorial I am gonna tell you how you can check the generation of your laptop within a minute. So let's start. First of all, you have to go at search bar and write system information in it. It will show you some result. Click on the first result. It will open a new window for you. This window has the summary of your system. Here we have two columns. Item and value. In items column now we have to look for the processor. I have got it here, as you can see the processor. In value you can see I have Intel Core i5. The 2 which is written after the Core i5 is representing the generation. Now it's mean I have Core i5 second generation. It could be change in your laptop. As you can see, my processor has 2 cores and 4 logical processors. 4 logical processor means the laptop has a single processor, but it will work like it has 4. I hope today you learned something useful. If you like the video, kindly like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.